I'm going to redraw this, kind of expand it out as well. So I'll start with the two most central carbons, and then I know this is three electron regions, so I'm going to try to spread it out so they're 120 degrees. All right, and then that's also three. So let me see here. What about the H on this side? And then this carbon has three hydrogens attached to it, so that's going to be like that. I'm just redrawing it so the angles are a little bit more accurate. You don't have to do that. So this carbon is going to have a triple bond, and that's going to be linear with that carbon, and that carbon is connected to another carbon there, which is connected to three hydrogens. So I'm just expanding that part out as well. All right, so it's a little easier to see. Okay, the hybridization is, let's go from left to right. All right, so this here is sp3 hybridized, because you're going to need four identical bonds. And so when you need four identical bonds, oops, then that central atom is going to be sp3. This one has one, oops, what happened? This one has 1, 2, 3. So that's 120 degrees. I'll draw the angles here too. This is 109.5. Okay. This one's 120. All right, trigonal planar. So that's going to be sp2. Right. The sp2 will give you three identical bonds. 1, 2, and 3. Same thing here. It's 120. So that's also going to be sp2 hybridized. Okay, this one's going to be sp hybridized because it's 180 degrees. Do that in yet another color. All right, 180 degrees. It's going to be sp hybridized. This is also 180. That's also sp hybridized. This one, let's see what color. Go with orange. This one here is tetrahedral, so that's 109.5, and so that's going to be sp3 hybridized. Finally, let's label the all single bonds are sigma bonds. So I'll just label, they're all sigma bonds. I'll just label the pi bonds, right? So that one right there and that one right there are your two pi bonds. Your first bond and multiple bonds are always your sigma bonds, and then any additional bonds will be your pi bonds. So there's another pi bond there, and the rest are sigma bonds.